How to activate your fifth third bank card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can activate your fifth third banking card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your fifth third bank's card, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go to this official website, which I'll make sure to drop a link, which is fifth3.com content fifth third /login/activatecard.html. So this is a direct link where it will take you to your website and you have to log into your online banking account and your card will get activated. So here you can see it says activate your card, but before that I have to log in with my user ID and my password. So once I enter my user ID and password over here, I'll be able to go ahead and click the login button, and once I've done that, my fifth third bank account's card will get successfully activated. That's all it takes to activate your fifth third card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.